Hi there, my name is Maddie and I'm a customer support representative here with RemoteLock. In this video, we're going to discuss the difference between access users and access guests and how to add each of them. To add and view your access users and guests, you can log into your account at connect.remotelock.com or through the RemoteLock mobile app. This walkthrough will show you the web portal view. An access guest is someone who you would program a PIN code for that would have a start and end date. This is meant for temporary access for individuals such as vacation renters, whose code you want to work only between certain dates and then to expire on its own. An access user is for a more permanent or long-term user, someone who you are programming a PIN code for that has no limit to when their code will work. Access user codes are commonly used for property owners, family members, property managers, house cleaners, and recurring maintenance workers. To view all of the currently active and upcoming access users and access guests, click on the Access tab at the top of your page. From this page, if you want to view the deactivated and expired PIN codes, click on the Filters button to the right of the Access search bar. Then select the boxes for deactivated and expired. Once you click Search, it will show you the deactivated and expired PIN codes in addition to the currently active and upcoming ones. Deactivated users are access users and guests that previously existed which you deleted. Expired users are guest codes that previously existed which have expired past their end dates. To add an access user, click Add Access User in the top right corner of the Access page. Keep in mind you can also add a user directly from the dashboard page as well as the profile page of a specific device. When adding a user, enter the required fields. Name. This will be the name or identification of the user. Individual door, location, or group. This will be the specific door, location, or group you are granting this user access to. PIN. This will be the code that this user enters on the keypad to gain access. All other fields are optional. The email field will allow you to generate an automatic email to the user if you are on a billing plan that allows for these communications. This will be the email address that the email gets sent to. The access schedule allows you to implement a schedule for this user so that their code only works between certain hours on any given day of the week. You must be on an applicable billing plan to use this feature. Notification. This is where you can select whether you want to receive a text or email notification when this user is granted access. If you do not select it when creating the code, you can always set up a notification for this user afterwards. Once you have filled out all necessary fields, click Create. Make sure after selecting the door access type, you select the specific location, group, or device you want to assign this code to. Once created, you will be brought to that new user's door access page. You will also be able to see this user under the General Access tab. Please be aware that as a default, all access users are automatically given 24/7 access to the door, location, or group you grant them, unless you utilize an access schedule. To add an access guest, click Add Access Guest in the top right corner of your access page. Again, you can also add an access guest from your dashboard page or the profile page of the specific device you want to add the PIN to. When adding your guest, enter the required fields: the name, start and end dates, door, location, or door group you want to grant them access to, and PIN code are all required. All other fields are optional. Be aware that in addition to selecting your start and end date, you can also select here your start and end times. This will designate the start and end times for this guest code on the start and end dates that you selected. Click Create once all desired fields are completed. Now that the code has been created, you can now view this guest from the General Access tab. And that is our brief overview of Access Guests and Access Users. For more information, you can view our video on how to add door access and how to edit and delete your Access users and guests. If you have any other questions about Access Guests and Users, you can visit our general support website at remotelock.com/support or email us directly at support@remotelock.com. Thanks for watching.